Today, I'm diving into the world of GROX and challenging myself to live a day as a villager. Let's see if I can survive the chaos. Imagine being a villager in a world where monsters like the GROX roam free, threatening to destroy everything you hold dear. It's a daunting thought, but that's exactly what we're going to explore today. A villager wakes up daily anticipating the arrival of the GROX, unaware if today is their turn. Fear, paranoia, and uncertainty fill the village as rumors abound and everyone is on high alert. The GROX, notorious for their ruthless behavior, remain a mystery, leaving the villagers defenseless against these horrific creatures. It's a blood-curdling cat and mouse game where survival is all they see. The GROX instill fear in villagers, unstoppable and merciless, causing panic and leaving people to gather for safety. However, with their ubiquitous presence, finding a way to fight back becomes challenging, even for optimistic individuals. Life before the GROX was simple. You'd wake up, tend to your farm, visit with neighbors, and enjoy a simple meal with your family. But all of that changed when the GROX arrived. Now, every day is a struggle to survive. You can't leave your house without fear of being attacked. The GROX have disrupted the villagers' way of life, leaving them feeling helpless and scared. Early in the day, I begin my day by grabbing my tools and tending to the farm. It's hard work, but rewarding seeing my crops grow. I chat with my neighbors and share stories, creating a peaceful existence. As the GROX's arrival rumors grow, it's challenging to ignore them, but I focus on my task. The GROX approach, creating anxiety among the villagers with fear filling the air. The unknown anticipation for worsening circumstances. These notorious GROX are never-ending brutality, and the villagers are reeling with it. This moment holds significant potential for change and altered lives. The villagers are desperate to protect their homes, their families, and their way of life. They're willing to do whatever it takes to survive, even if it means facing the GROX head-on. The atmosphere is tense, and the villagers are on high alert, waiting for the inevitable. It's a desperation born out of fear, and it's a feeling that's hard to describe. The village faces a critical moment, its fate hanging in the balance due to the GROX's wrath. Uncertainty surrounds their ability to defend themselves or meet their fate. The villagers' journey ultimately demonstrates resilience and determination. Despite intense odds, they adapt and survive, embodying inspiring and humbling human spirit. Today's experience was eye-opening, and I'm grateful for being part of it. What would you do if you were in a villager's shoes? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more content related to the GROX, check out our other video where we explore the creature's origins and motivations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.